Hi everyone, it's Dan here from Enact Solutions. I'm going to share with you one of our icebreakers. We use this a lot at the top of our sessions and it's called Dragons and Shields. So I've got my not so willing participants here and I'm going to explain how this icebreaker works. So team, I would like you to secretly select two people in this room. Okay, so just think about them. Label one of those people a dragon and one of those people a shield. Everyone done that? Okay, don't tell people who they are. All I'm going to ask you to do is on the count of 3, keep your shield in between yourself and your dragon. Your shield is protecting you from your dragon, yeah? 1, 2, 3, go. And stop. Okay, who has won? Okay, Ashley, who's your dragon, who's your shield? Brilliant, brilliant. Liam, I'm going to ask you, who's your dragon, who's your dragon, who's your shield? Okay, yeah. So there you have it, dragons and shields. It's a great energizer and it's a lot of fun. The other thing that gives you is a great conversation. Your dragons are the challenges you face in your organisation and your shields are the solutions you put in place to protect you from those challenges. It's a great way of starting conversations and that's your learning into action moment for this week.